clearly this is contributing to the wealth gap because Black Americans haven't been able to participate in the stock market boom as much. So why the gap?
Well, the wealth gap has been growing larger and larger every year between the African American and the white America. And, we've been behind for a very, very long time. As we know, because of the way we came to this country, the historic racism and Jim Crow laws and things that really impacted us, the restrictive covenants that didn't allow us to buy housing in the fast-growing parts of communities, we were way behind the race when it came to wealth, and it continues to get worse. But it's been exacerbated by the last two financial crises. Because, 2008, 2009, the aerial survey has showed that African Americans are over-indexed to real estate. And of course, that crisis was caused by the real estate market totally collapsing during 2008 and 2009. And then in this most recent COVID crisis, African Americans have a disproportionate amount of our jobs in the service industries and less in technology, less in financial services. So our community couldn't work from home and build wealth in the same way as white America. So those are some of the reasons why things have gotten so much worse. And it's really a troubling statistic that we have to continue to worry about.
So how do you close that gap, particularly on investing in the stock market? And why do you think the younger generation is starting to show progress on that front for Black families and Black Americans?
Well, I think one of the ways to get progress is for all major corporations and anchor institutions in our community to understand there is a problem and that their African American employees, even though they might have similar percentage comparability when it comes to joining the 401k plan, when you look behind the surface, you'll see that African Americans will often have much less saved because we will be in the most conservative investment options, the most conservative funds. We're much more likely to take hardship loans, early withdrawals to help support expanded families. So it's really a responsibility of these anchor institutions to put an extra effort on really making sure their minority employees are comfortable in the investments within that 401k plan. Maybe there should be more minority-owned options within the 401k plan that will get minority employees excited about it. Melody Hobson's often talked about that. She even did a television special once to try to shine a light on the fact that when it came to retirement, we weren't as prepared. So I think that's a part of the corporate world can make such a difference by really working hard to get contributions to a higher level, get people more comfortable within the markets.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.